Hello dear all of you, welcome back to your channel S Square Maths YouTube channel. This is your Santosh. Those who did not go through previous videos, interesting, please go through it. The links are given in the description. Similar triangles, and this we are going to crack in 10 seconds each in generally. Okay, so let us analyze the problems 1 and 2. So please go through the questions carefully. Don't be panicked by seeing it. So now here polyset, similar triangles, and fourth part. Okay. So now given in triangle ABC. So come on, draw the triangle here ABC, and AB is given 15 and angle B is given 90 degrees. So here angle B 90 and let it be AC or CA. Now then we have to determine BD. So BD in the sense here from the vertex B on to the hypotenuse here AC. The length of BD you have to determine, and given that AB is 15 centimeters and given that BC is 20 centimeters, then you have to find out BD. BC is 20, then we have to find out BD. Okay, so how to get the value of BD here? Here you have the result for the competitive examination sake. So there are various methods in regular boards, okay, that we should not discuss here. It is a lengthy process to get the value of BD, but you have the concepts and proofs, results. So if P is a distance, so let BD is equal to, here it is P. Let us suppose that, and here it is AB is nothing but C here. C is equal to BC is A here, and this is nothing but small b. Let us think the length of the side AC. So we have, so the data is same here. Now just go for the time duration. Here we are going to solve maximum of 20 seconds. So we have here the condition is nothing but P into B is equal to A into C. So this is the result, where P is the length of the perpendicular drawn from the vertex B to the hypotenuse AC, and C, and this is A, the legs of the right angle triangle, and B is the hypotenuse. Then PB is equal to AC. So this implies P we have to find into B is nothing but here 15, 20, 25 forms a Pythagorean triplet here. It is a Pythagorean triplet. If you remember, directly you can write. So 25 is equal to A into C, 15 into 20. So this is a simple equation in one linear equation, one variable, nothing but simple equation. So 4's here it is 5's, 1's, thrice. So finally the value of P is nothing but, so here 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So P is 12, nothing but the length of the BD is nothing but 12 centimeters. So in this way we can determine the value of BD, the length of the perpendicular. Okay, so the value of P. So nothing but it stands for here B option. Just if you remember this one, it's very easy. Next, coming to here, let us draw a diagram, and angle C is in triangle ABC. Angle C is 90 degrees and CD is given perpendicular drawn to, here it is given drawn to AB. Here it is not given, but here you can imagine easily. So BD is nothing but, here it is given 8 centimeters and AD is 2 centimeters. Then you have to find CD. Okay, so angle C is 90 degrees and given the segments on the AB with respect to the point D, AD is given and BD is given. Under these circumstances, you have to determine the value of nothing but CD. Here also it is a perpendicular. So we have in triangle ABC, if angle C is 90 degrees, also CD perpendicular to AB, then we have a result that CD square is equal to AD into BD. So three properties you will have. Under that we are going to pick up first one. So this is a result oriented one. Nothing but here CD is equal to under root of AD is nothing but 2, BD is nothing but 8. So finally CD is equal to, here it is square root 16. CD is equal to 4 centimeters. So in this way we can go through it. So CD is equal to 4 centimeters in the sense the A option. Okay. So now, so please viewers, the important property, here it is nothing but P into B is equal to A into C, and here this is one important for these given conditions, and here BD is equal to P, and CD is equal to 4 centimeters and BD is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay. So now first and second problem. So if you observe carefully, this is result oriented one. Just if you remember the result with the given data, you can proceed this also. So this is nothing but the importance of result oriented questions for various competitive examinations, whatever you are going to write, Olympiads, okay, in the school level for 10th standard, NTSC, RMO, whatever it may be. Okay. So once you have the total look of two problems, if you go through the regular syllabus, this type of problems, it is a time consuming process. These are the shortcuts. This you can do in 10 seconds. Okay. Hope you felt good, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video session.